Alright, so we clean out the mating surface for the thermostat here. Alright, thermostat, Nissan 82 degrees, have the cap here. The previous mechanic had removed it, but I am reinstalling it. Alright, we rest the thermostat in. And we're going on for the cap on. Right, I will get one on here, holding the camera and screwing up. So I pause in the video. Alright, so we done screwing 1, 2, and we're catching up the third one. And then we'll tighten it up with the crescent wrench. A 10 and 10. Right, but not too tight, just enough to compress the rubber gasket. Right, and we're good to go. Then we'll hook back up the lines, fill back up with coolant, reinstall the everything. And then we're good to go. Alright, so the inside, thermostat in. Alright, connecting back up the hose here. Right, put back the hose clamp.